Ay.
Glacier, you cold.
It's real shit, Look, no one-on-ones, fuck it. Jumpin', posting a party, pistol. Tucker, that ain't here the first time, alright. Fuck again, ain't here the first time, alright. Bust again, like me, I tell the boy watch. Deep in the streets, mama rather me not. 5th grade, I had to grasp my sock, gotta get paid, bitch. I be cutting straight up like a Switchblade. Back in 6th grade, used to play with the BB gun. I had 2 bitches, both of them was sisters, but she hit the dick like the greedy one. In the hallway, hurry up for the teacher come. I used to back up the ready with hold it and hide it, like hold up, here Lily come. Me and Squinty was going on 2 mans. He got the pretty one, I got the freaky one. Bitches been loving my rats in middle school, told me come over. I'm bringing Squinty through. Fuck, you want a sister? I got some pictures too. Fuck, I need some pictures for they identical. Body dropping. You catch me slipping, that's not an option. Catch an op with a dozen, my molly whop him. Introduce him to that, told him meet the chopper. Put to the machine, he ain't breathing popper. Tell his man pick him up, he applying pressure to the wound, he think he the doctor. Leave him traumatized, having lost some words, make him forget he seen you shot shit. My OD from lean like I'm speaking out. Spin the bench, say hello to my little friend, hot up on a nigga, tell him to meet the flocker. Bust it, whip out the gun, that's an I'ma bust it. Hold up, bro, it's daytime, a camera right there, and we in middle with public, but fuck it, I'm going hard for my niggas. Thought that they dropping they draws for a nigga. Get on that bitch, she hit pause on the nigga. No picture with the shit, I want all of you niggas. No one-on-ones, fuck it. Jumpin', posting a party, pistol. Tucker, that ain't here the first time, alright. Fuck again, ain't here the first time, alright. Bust again, like me, I tell the boy watch. Deep in the streets, mama rather me not. 5th grade, I had to grasp my sock, gotta get paid, bitch. I be cutting straight up like a Switchblade. Yeah, like, ain't no cat when I'm speaking that shit, like. Nigga, I did everything I didn't say, like, I don't know what these niggas is talking about, man. They did shit, man, old top, man. I don't know what the fuck going on. Look, free ant. Free the game, told him get home. Beat the boss, I gotta get gone. Hungry, she eat the dick till the dick gone. Shit ain't compliant, shit, I got a big on. Put the whole team on my back like I'm Devon. Tryin' run this shit back like I'm Tashon Water. I'm from the county, no Woodlawn. I'm from the head, this shit pop like some cook corn. Actin' bougie, nigga, what? Condom in my pot, a dick in the guts, no dates. I pick her up just to fuck, okay. Maybe this might be my luck. Remember I won my first championship, shit felt amazing. I'm mad at shit that I ain't taking. Fall for the knock that I took that. I'd rather be up in the field and dodging all these bullets and sending them out. I got the realest shit out and I fuck with the plus, hit the middleman out. You get dropped like a call when the signal went out. Hold up, bro, you said like a signal went out? Leave that with smoke like a cigarette out. Catch him with his girl, asking what all that shit was about. Nigga, kick that shit out. No one-on-ones, fuck it. Jumpin', posting a party, pistol. Tucker, that ain't here the first time, alright. Fuck again, ain't here the first time, alright. Bust again, like me, I tell the boy watch. Deep in the streets, mama rather me not. 5th grade, I had to grasp my sock, gotta get paid, bitch. I be cutting straight up like a